How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Camaro RS SS. It's done in a super slick torch red with your black stripes. Got the steel cowl hood. Very, very nice car. The previous owners owned this car like 28 years. I tell you, I really like these RS cars. It's got a custom built 427 in it. Paint on the car is real slick. It's got the rear spoiler and everything. It's original taillight housings, and they're in excellent shape. The rear bumper's been redone. Tell you, and this car's got some pretty cool options. Now again, it's a custom built 427. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. It's got the heavy duty radiator in it. Nice aluminum intake and Holley. The ceramic coated headers and the 2.5-inch duals all the way out the back. It's got the deluxe interior. Got the wood wheel, looks like to be an original wood wheel. Headliner's real nice. That also has a fold down rear seat. Looks real nice, all in the trunk and everything's real nice. Trunk floor's real solid, nice in the car. Got a bunch of old photos and receipts and stuff that were done to the car over the years. Tell you, it's pretty rare for the fold down rear seat in the car. Pretty cool. It's got power windows. He did do a radio delete in the car. Got a pair of gauges there under the dash. Tell you, the original door panels are the deluxe. Very, very good condition. Fire the thing up. Got a nice little cam in it and stuff. Nothing real radical. Sounds real good out the exhaust. Tell you, this is a super nice car, guys. I tell you, the color on the car and everything, very nice. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com.